let's go ahead and check these out. So we are trying to figure out on 28 which one is more unusual. So I really need to compare my z-scores of what I've got going on here because I have average is 23.84. So we have our 34 over here and our 10 over here, and we're trying to figure out which one is less likely to occur. So we have our 3.56 is our standard deviation. So for our z-score, we would take, let's do 34 minus 23.84 over 3.56, and then we're also going to do 10 minus 23.84 all over 3.56. So we're going to get two answers. We're going to get negative 3.88 here for our z-score, and we're going to get 2.85 here. So this is closer to the mean than this is. In other words, if we have 1, 2, 3 standard deviations, it's way over here. Where here, if we have 1, 2, 3 standard deviations, it's over here. So this will definitely be the more unlikely to occur, because it has a z-score that is farthest from the mean. Alright, our last one, I kind of like this one. This one here we have that we have our mean of 4.06, and if we're looking at our little guy, here is 4.06, and then our standard deviation of 0.04. So this one here is 4.10, and this one here is 4.14. So if I look at my empirical data guy, where is my empirical data? Here we are here. I'm really looking for this percent within there. So this percent, remember, is 34%, and this percent is 13.5%. So really I'm just adding in those two amounts. Now if I don't do that, I would need to look things up. So this would be a z-score of 0, and this would be a z-score of 2. So if I look up my z-score of 0, I'm going to get 50%. But remember, that's this part. And then if I look up my z-score of 2, I get 97.72%. So we have 97.72%. So what I want, which is then, if you're looking at that, that's all of this. So I really want to take all of this and get rid of it. And if I take that and subtract 50%, which is what I don't want, I'm going to get my, again, my 47% that I was looking for. So again, in this particular case, much easier to recognize them as the empirical data because it's exactly at 0 and exactly at 2. That's what we really wanted you to do, but you can still get the answer using your z-scores.